Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Michael's in-store haul plus an online haul that I did as well. So the first thing is it is the 70% off like mega sale that they do a couple times a year or maybe once a year, I'm not sure. But all of the Hot Buy paper pads are 70% off, which means they ring up to $6. I do know that they sometimes go on sale for $5, so it's technically not the best sale of the year. But I got this first one. Ooh, I hope I got the right one. This is called Shake It Chic. And I got this in the sense that I felt like I could use it with other collections. And I feel like you could use this with, what's that other one? I got rid of it. I didn't like it. I can't remember what it's called, but I feel like it works with that collection. The Hooray collection that I have. It's just got fun rainbows and polka dots for like birthdays and stuff that you could use as backing pieces. Cute little like rainbows. It's got like holographic gold foiling on it. Just some pinks, birthdays, hip hop hooray. These are a little bit dark. I probably wouldn't use those. And then like just polka dots and stuff, but I really liked this fun like stripes with hollow gold. But this definitely goes with that Hooray birthday collection. And I don't think I have the 12 by 12 in that, so this is gonna go perfect for that. Super cute little cut aparts right here. I like this cut apart page. Okay, so that's that paper pad. And then I do have glitter paper pads, but this is the spring one. Again, this was 60% off. And it's just got, you know, the pastel. Oh, I love that mint. It's totally blue, but it's definitely like a pretty turquoisey blue. And then this one's definitely a mint color. Super pretty, like a yellowy gold, coppery or orange, and then the purple color. Okay, so that's it for the paper pads. Next, the Celebrate It, anything that was $3.99 and under was ringing up 99 cents. So this has like it's almost like a weaved, some type of fabric-y, almost like a burlap, but colorful and doesn't fray like burlap, but it's got an iridescent like color in it with it. So I got those two, and then I got two of the pink in the same exact pattern. They did have a purple version and some different color. And then my friend Christina, she was using this gorgeous tool. See how it has like the chunks of the iridescence? And it is just so pretty when she was working with it. So it's to Celebrate It. These are $4.99, but right now they're having a sale, buy one, get one 50% off. But that sale did not sucker me in. I was like, I don't need to be spending $10, you know, and then get 50% off. That's $5. You know, I was just doing the math in my head. And then, so I just got this one, and there is a 20% off coupon right now. So that 20% coupon did work on this. And then this stuff, the Recollections, like this is supposed to be for the memory box explosion thing, but these little things were 50% off. So these were ringing up $2.50. Just dimensional like little banners in pastel colors. And then I did go ahead and get these. These were $2.50. They're like little acrylic heart paper clips. I wasn't going to get these because I could easily kind of make these, but I was like, you know what, buy it. Then I got some of these little, they're like patches, like sticker patches. Got this from my daughter's backpack. We just got her initials for, you know, her backpack next year. These are all clearanced out to 90 cents. And they had like all of the letters. I was shocked because usually the common letters are gone. And then just these little like Creatology kits were 40% off. So my kids got those. They were with me. And then now I'm going to jump to my craft room to show you the 4 pieces that I got for my calyx unit. So this is the calyx unit, and I got this idea from Ida, who is I'm Created to Create. She literally just shared her dream wall, and I'm gonna I'll actually leave her video down below. You guys are gonna see. It made me just want to like make this stuff, this calyx unit, so pretty. But these things are, these things are expensive, so I only bought a couple. I actually bought 4. Only 2 of them came in the mail so far. But it's just going to replace like these little things in one of these bins because I don't have room for it. But these are them. These are the big acrylic drawers, tidy organizers. And they are, I'm pretty sure the outside dimensions are 13 by 13. Yeah, there it is. 2 of these units stack on top of each other. So right now with the like mega 70% or 50% off sale, this is a great price because otherwise this thing is like $50 something, which I would never in my life pay that much for this thing. So right now they're on sale, so I jumped on it and I bought a couple, and I'll just maybe do it every time that they have those sales, just add some pieces to my collection. So let me open this and put it in. So here's one of them in. I was gonna put it down there, but I realized I have kids and they can reach. These things do have little rubber, like clear things on the bottom. So I was trying to slide it in and it wasn't moving. But look, as you can see, there's maybe an inch in the back of room. So you could push this a little bit further back if you wanted to, or a little bit out. I'll probably have it flush. But here's the drawers. Look at, and the drawers come fully out. There is no stopper for the drawers. It comes in and out. I'll probably spray paint these little knobs gold because I love gold. But I love the way the Ida's look, just like seeing all her, like she did flowers, seam binding, like embellishments. So cute. So let me open up the other one and stack it on. This did come a little bit scuffed, but I'm not returning it for that. And I did read the reviews online, and somebody said that they had theirs delivered and they were all cracked. So it definitely depends on who packaged your stuff. I'm sad. This one, look, it came chipped on the corner. I mean, it's brand new, but it's and then look at this. It's like shattered, even though it's all intact. It's still like internally shattered. And that corner piece is missing. And I guarantee it was like that at the store. Yeah. There's no corner piece anywhere in the box that this, you know, it's like a dime size chunk missing. Bummer. I'm totally gonna have to return this. And then I think in order to get these to fit in this unit, you have to take those rubber feet off, because I just tried to stack it on here and the rubber feet were stopping it from fitting nicely in here. I know that Ida has, I think her unit is actually from Target or Walmart, so it's not the IKEA Calyx one, but I'm going to try to remove the feet and see if they both fit. Okay, so you guys, you do have to take the rubber feet off both sets. These are the rubber feet. They're just like in the inset of like a little hole. So once you pop these all out, I literally just popped them out with this little pokey tool. They popped right out. They fit. Stack them together first and then stick it in as a whole, and they fit snug as a glove. I'm going to contact Michael's, maybe, look, because you can't even see that. Super cute. But if I ever wanted to put these out in like a pretty spot, like out, it would definitely be defective and you would see that. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ida, look what you made me do. Okay, and then let's see if a 12 by 12, that don't look like a 12 by 12 is gonna fit. Oh, I think a single 12 by 12 without this top piece would fit for sure. So single sheets would fit in here, but a 12 by 12 paper pad definitely, I mean, it fits in there, but you can see it's not falling all the way down because it has that top panel piece. Okay, kind of like a review on this thing. So yeah, definitely I would try to have these ordered or picked up at your store. They only had 3 at my store, so I had to do delivery for 4 of them instead. You guys, I am huffing and puffing. Whew. I'm so excited. They're a little bit dusty. I gotta clean them off. Snug as a glove. All right. Bye guys. I'll catch you on the next crafty video.